Pythagoras Theorem. This Pythagoras theorem, this Pythagoras was the scientist, mathematician. He was the mathematician, he invented this rule. So that's why it is the name Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras, who was the philosopher as well as the mathematician, was born in 580 BC in the Greece. He later moved to Italy, where he established the Pythagorean Brotherhood, which was the secret society devoted to politics, mathematics, and astronomy. Politics, you know that astronomy is the knowledge of stars. Astronomy is the knowledge of stars, and mathematics, you know also. Consider the square being drawn on each side of the right-angled triangle. Right-angled. Right-angled triangle is a triangle having one angle 90 degree. Right-angled triangle is the triangle which have one angle 90 degree. Consider square being drawn on each side of the right-angled triangle with sides 3 centimeter, 4 centimeters, and 5 centimeters. You can see here, this is the triangle. So let me try. I will try to draw this. First, we will draw the triangle. Three. Okay. The other one is 4. I am considering one box equal 1 centimeter. So according to this, I am trying to draw. The down ones is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the other side is 5. Check how many it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is a triangle according to the book. This side is 3 centimeters, this side is 4 centimeters, and this side is 5 centimeters. Now we will make the boxes on the all sides. Box for this. This all you can measure by the scale and draw. It is hard to draw here, but we will.
Sir, why are you like this? You're
What? What you are saying?
You make all this to draw.
Yes, this all things what I am doing for you guys. Right or wrong?
Right. I think it's too hard.
No, no. I am saying that it is hard to draw on the screen. Otherwise, when you draw this on the paper, it will be really easy.
Easy.
So, sir, what is the thing that you're trying to draw?
Hmm?
Yeah, we understood the triangle, but that's why it's drawing squares. Or what is it?
Let me draw, then I will explain to you what is the benefit for this. Is there any MR in the class? MR.
This is Majid. Majid.
Why he
Pick him.
message him to change the name and come with the real name. I
He
will not.
says that he can't.
So say him change the name and then come. Okay, look this. Now this is the area. This is the box. This box is, this side is 5 centimeter. So that's why the area will be 25. 5 multiplied by 5 centimeter square. The area of this box will be 5 multiplied by 5. The area of this box will be 9 centimeter square. 3 multiplied by 3. Area of this box will be 16 centimeter
16.
square, because this 4. So 4 multiplied by 4, 16 centimeter. Until here, we study the longest side is called the hypotenuse. Which is the longest side? This is
25.
the longest.
That's 5 multiplied 25.
This is the longest side, length 5 centimeter. This is the longest side. The longest side is called hypotenuse and is always opposite to the right angle. This longest side, the name of this longest side will be what? Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse. And this hypotenuse is always opposite to right angle. This is right angle. This is right angle. It is opposite to right angle. Always in right angle triangle, hypotenuse will be on the, hypotenuse will be in the front of 90-degree angle.
The right angle.
This is right angle and this is hypotenuse.
The hypotenuse.
Until here clear?
Yes.
In any
Yes, yes, sir.
triangle, in any right angle triangle, the hypotenuse will be always in the front of 90-degree angle. In the front of 90-degree angle. If I draw a triangle like this, here is the 90-degree angle. Where will be the hypotenuse? This will be the hypotenuse.
Here, opposite angle.
Is it clear now for everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Pythagoras theorem can then be stated as follows. Listen carefully now. What is the Pythagoras theorem? For any right-angled triangle, the area of the square drawn on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the areas of the squares drawn on the other two sides. Look, this is when you add up 9 and 16, answer will be 25. 9 and 16 equal 25. The same thing he is saying here, the area of this and area of this will be equal to the area of this box. Now I am going to read it again. For any right angled triangle, the area of the square drawn. These are the squares which we draw on the three sides of the triangle. On the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the areas of the square drawn on the other two sides. These are the other two sides. The sum of these area of these two sides will be equal to the area of this hypotenuse side. I hope you understand it now.
No, sir. Can you repeat
I
it?
didn't understand.
Look. This is a triangle. Here the box. Okay, one box. Here the other box. And here will be the third box. Now, if it is 3, this is 4. So what will be this area? Look.
5.
5. 5.
No,
Mr. Maybe.
not
3
5.
multiplied by 4.
Let me
Mr.
complete.
7 and 12.
The area of this box will be 9. Area of this box will be
16.
So
will
9
add.
plus 16.
25.
9 plus 16,
25.
25. So this line will be 5.
5.
5.
This is
Mr.
the mean.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
This is
Okay. One more example. For example, if
Yes, Mr. One more.
we will use the same diagram. Okay, now you will tell me, if it is 4, this is 6. What will be this area? And what will be the length of this line?
25.
4 will be 16 and 6 will
And
be
6 will be
36.
36.
36
10
plus
Mr.
16.
And 16 plus 36 is
52.
the answer.
ايوه لا
52. 52 the answer.
52.
52.
52.
52. What will be the area of the, what will be the length of this line? This is 52.
55. I remember that
21.
square is 52.
21.
This will be 52 square because
Yeah,
it is
number-
square.
26. 26.
26 Mr. 26
Allahu Akbar. Square root of 52 is 26.
7.211, Mr.
Huh?
No, Mr. It's 7.211. 7.211.
7.2.
So this will be the line.
0.211.
Understand now? If you know this,
Yes.
you can take square and you can find out this. If you know this, take square root to find it. This, when you take the square of this, it will be 52. When you take the square root of this, it will be 7.211. The same here. Square of 4 is 16. Square root of 4 is 16 is 4. Square of 4 is 16. And the square root of 16 is 4. Same here. Square of 6 is 36. And the square root of 36 is 6. Now, we will go to the next point. The usual description, I am reading from the book. The usual description in any right angled triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. In the simple way, before we were discussing about the concept, now in the simple way, I can tell you, inshallah you will understand it. This is a triangle, right? The triangle is A, B, and C. Okay, in the front of A, this is small a, this line. This is small b and this is small c. Which is the hypotenuse? This A, B, and C. Which is the
C is the
hypotenuse? A, B,
hypotenuse.
or C is the hypotenuse?
C.
C.
C is the hypotenuse. Okay, now, so according to Pythagoras theorem, C square will be equal to A square plus B square.
And B square.
Okay, according to Pythagoras theorem, C square will be equal to A square plus B square. Pythagoras theorem is more usually written as the formula. I hope you understand it. Now, we will
Yeah, I
come towards the example and questions. Questions are very easy.
Yeah. Mr. Can I answer?
Okay. Everyone can answer. I didn't stop anyone. It is 8 centimeter. This is 5.2 centimeters.
No.
This is 90 degree and x. Which one is hypotenuse here? X is the hypotenuse. X is the hypotenuse. So x will be equal to 8 square plus 5.2 square.
Yeah.
Okay, 8 square equal to 64. 8 square equal to 64. 5.2 square is equals to 27.0.
27.04.
Okay. Now, when you add up these, it will become 91.04. We need the value of x, not x square. What should we do? Take square root to both sides. So x will be equal to 9.5 centimeters. 9.5 centimeters. X is equals to 9.5 centimeters. Is it easy or hard?
Yes, it's easy.
Question number 1. Question number 1. The diagram is already on the book. So should I draw the diagram or we can solve that?
No.
No.
We can solve
only the
it.
numbers.
Yes.
So according to question number 1 diagram, x square will be equal to 9 square.
9 square plus 5 square.
9, yes.
So it will be 81 plus 25.
81 plus 25
5.
is equal to 106. 106
And
square root is equal to 10.29.
10.29.
Yeah.
10.29, Mr. The answer is.
Yes.
So x is equals to 10.29. Almost all the questions are same until 9. Okay, which question should I solve now? One more.
Question number 2.
Question number 2. Okay. X square equal 3 square and 5.1 square. So x square will be 9 plus 5.1 square equal
26.01.
Okay, now add up.
35.0.
0.01.
35.0.
The value should be 5.91. X should be 5.91.
Okay.
Okay, sir, if all the same, all the questions are the same, go to
Yes,
question
all
9
the questions are same.
or question 10.
Mr. You finished the lesson?
Yes, for the day lesson.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
Okay, so see you in the next period.
Goodbye.